Hi everyone, I'm Sana from OLENS team. Today, I will show you how to wear your contact lenses easily. And I have my favorite contacts here, which is Chloe Black. She's gonna help me for this video. First thing you need to do is wash your hands. We don't want bacteria or germs go to your eyes. Check the prescriptions. There are daily, monthly, and yearly contact lenses, but for your eye health, I suggest you to stick with daily or monthly ones. Especially if you have dry eyes, then always go for the daily ones. Most of the OLENS product packages looks like this one here. Open the blister of the pack and lens should be inside. Use your point of your finger. Or use the tweezers that will be gifted by OLENS when you buy lenses in one day. Check if there is any dirt or dust, or it's ripped or torn. Soft contacts have correct way to sit on the eye, so check if they are inside out. If you put your lenses inside out, it will slide around and won't be comfortable. Well, this part here is the secret of putting your contact lenses easily, which is controlling your eyelids. And most of people have difficult time to control their eyelids. I use my dominant hand to put on contacts and non-dominant hand to hold my upper eyelid. Or you can use this tool to put your contact lenses easily. And this is how I take off my lenses.